Looking for a charging cable that keeps up with your busy lifestyle? The 10-foot iPhone USB-C to Lightning cable delivers fast, reliable power right where you need it. Featuring power delivery technology, this cable works seamlessly with USB-C wall adapters to charge your iPhone faster than standard cables. Plus, with a generous 10-foot length, you get the freedom to charge comfortably from across the room or while lounging on the couch. What sets this cable apart is its MFI certification, meaning it's officially approved by Apple to work safely with your iPhone, iPad, or iPod. That certification isn't just a label. It guarantees your device is protected against overheating and short circuits. So you can charge confidently, knowing your gear is in good hands. The cable's design includes ultra-strong connector joints that can endure up to 25,000 bends, making it tougher than your average charger. That durability means fewer replacements and less frustration from frayed cords or faulty connections. Users across the United States have praised this cable for its fast charging speed and robust build. One satisfied customer mentioned that even after a year of daily use, the cable still performs well, only showing minor wear. The braided silver exterior not only looks sleek but also adds extra strength to withstand everyday wear and tear. Whether you're syncing data or powering up, this cable ensures a stable, efficient connection every time. If you're tired of cheap cables that fail when you need them most, this 10-foot USB-C to Lightning cable is worth a look. It combines the convenience of extended length with the peace of mind that comes from Apple's MFI certification and a durable, braided design. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging experience with a cable that works as hard as you do. Ready to experience faster, safer charging with a cable built to last? Grab the TalkWorks 10-foot iPhone USB-C to Lightning cable in silver today. It's the reliable, high-quality charging solution that fits your lifestyle and keeps your devices powered up without compromise.